Factorising non-monics. A non-monic quadratic expression simply refers to a quadratic expression where the coefficient of x squared is not 1. For example, 2x squared plus 5x take away 3, where we can see that the coefficient of x squared is 2. We need to be able to factorise non-monic quadratics. The process begins in a similar way as it does with monics. If our quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c, we find two numbers that multiply to give ac and add to give h. So with the example above, where we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 3, we want two numbers that multiply to give 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6. So what we're doing is we're multiplying the coefficient of x squared by the constant term. And then we want them to add to give 5. So add to give the coefficient of x. The method is a bit more complicated from this point than with monics, as we will see in the examples that follow. But I just want to make a note here. Let's suppose we had something like x squared plus 5x plus 6, so we've got a monic. What we were doing was multiplying to give 6 and adding to give 5. But note that isn't really different to what we're doing with non-monics, because multiplying to give 6 is multiplying to give 1 times 6. Here we're going to multiply to give 2 times negative 3 in the case of this example. So it's still really the same thing, it's just with monics that this coefficient is always 1.